how to make invitation using Phototop glitters effect. So, ang ginamit kong material dito is yung vellum paper with 200 GSM. So, ito yung brand na ginamit ko, Quaff Glitters. So, ang ginagawa ko dito is kinakat ko siya, depends on the size of the invitation. So, ayan. Then, nakat ko na yung mga invitations using vellum paper. Yan, with allowance. So, after nyan, dinikit ko na yung pinaka Phototop niya sa ibabaw. So, I'm using squeegee. Because, mas madali kasing gamitin yung manual kesa dun sa machine. So, yan. After nyan, meron ka ng simple and beautiful invitation. So, don't forget yung pinaka sides and edges niya. Kailangan cut and clean.